which is shadow DOM. So we know how to create our own tags. So this is one thing. We know.
Look up, everybody. If you're staring at code, look up.
So we know how to create our own tags. We know how to reuse blocks of HTML and mess it up with that. But how can we encapsulate that in a way that doesn't leak to other pages? Like we saw in Bootstrap, they're putting style within this btn class. So if I create a new element, and inside of that element I have a btn class, I'm gonna inherit the CSS that was defined on my document. And if I just put some global definitions for links, and I want my links to be red inside of my element, if I don't encapsulate that properly, I'm going to have all my links on my page red, and I don't want this. So this is why shadow DOM is important. And again, this is extremely important just by itself. If we combine all those stuff, then we can get web components, and this can get like pretty serious. But this by itself, it's pretty important. So the shadow DOM is like the secret sauce of web components, because you can isolate portions of DOM, so markup, and protect that from any external styling. And let me show you how it works. So we can just go ahead, open the shadow DOM folder, first file index.
Everybody got it? We're ready to go?
Got it? Cool. So what do you expect from this page over here? You expect all the H1s to be blue, right? Okay, my H1 is blue. So I have this other div, and I just want to inject a new H1 over there. So bar. Right? I'm injecting some HTML, and still, since I have this definition over here, I'm inheriting this style, and it's blue. What if I have a new style tag over here, or this, that says that my color is red? Let me break this line just to make it easier to read. So what if I have this? All my H1s are going to be blue. Because style is just a single thing. And I'm defining all H1s to be red. So if I try to create a new custom element, and I want to have some style, and of course I'm gonna need some style for my stuff, I don't want to just put it in line in HTML. I want to have it my definitions, and sometimes I want to define it globally. I want all my links inside of my custom element to be a certain color. So what can we do to improve this? What can we do to truly encapsulate stuff with in HTML? Now that shadow DOM comes in. So we can just create this guy. So we can create a shadow root. And the way you do that, you can use this create shadow root thing. And inside of that shadow root, I'm going to include this code. So before, what I had was a div bar, and I had this inside of that, which you can see over here. And this is for the entire document. This is definitions. This definition works for the entire document. Now I'm creating a shadow root, and I'm putting this HTML inside of that shadow root. Both the H1 definition to be read, and both this other HTML. This is what happens. Can you see the power of this thing? So I'm creating the shadow root. This is like a subtree in your DOM. And go and type this code and inspect that on your Chrome. And let's see what it's going to show to you.
Should we drop right there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.